Welcome to our comparison of two popular smartphone stabilizers, the SmallRig Universal Phone Cage and the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit. Today, we'll dive into their features, pricing, and overall usability to help you decide which one is right for your videography needs. Let's get started. The SmallRig Universal Phone Cage is priced at $79, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to enhance their smartphone videography. In contrast, the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit comes in at $109, reflecting its advanced features and stabilization capabilities. While the SmallRig offers great value, the additional investment in the hohem may be justified for those seeking professional quality footage. One of the key differences between these two products is stabilization. The SmallRig Universal Phone Cage does not provide any built-in stabilization, relying on the user's steady hands. On the other hand, the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit features a 3-axis gimbal that ensures smooth, cinematic footage, making it an excellent choice for dynamic filming situations. The SmallRig Universal Phone Cage is a modular system that allows for extensive customization with various accessories, making it versatile for different filming needs. However, it requires additional components for complete functionality. In contrast, the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit is an all-in-one solution, equipped with a fill light and multiple shooting modes, providing everything you need for high-quality video production right out of the box. In conclusion, both the SmallRig Universal Phone Cage and the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for an affordable, customizable option, the SmallRig is a great choice. However, if you prioritize stabilization and an all-in-one solution, the hohem is worth the extra cost. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.